In this video, we're going to be looking at the calculation of KE and GPE on some Gold Coast roller coasters. So the first roller coaster is the Superman Escape Ride at Movie World. So here we have the roller coaster going up. It's accelerated up, and at this point it's reaching maximum GPE. So it's getting to the top of the track. From here the kinetic energy gets to almost zero and then starts accelerating. It gets to maximum KE as it loses GPE. Goes round the corner, accelerating, lots and lots of KE, gets it up the hill, and we get an increase in GPE as the KE begins to decrease. GPE decreases, KE increases, so that we're getting an increased KE as we go through the tunnel. KE slows down and we increase GPE, so KE is going back into GPE. As we go over, GPE decreases, KE increases. Keep increasing, we go up a hill, increasing GPE, decreasing KE, until eventually the brakes then slow our KE down and our GPE almost gets to zero as well. This is the Tower of Terror at Dreamworld. So you start inside and what happens is you're accelerated. So you can see us moving away now until we reach virtually maximum kinetic energy. So at this point here we are getting to our maximum KE. Now that's going to allow us to go up the ramp. So our KE starts decreasing until eventually we reach maximum GPE and zero KE. We stop instantaneously and then gravity pulls us back. GPE converts to KE very quickly. So we're now back at our maximum KE with virtually zero GPE. Okay, so we're now going to look at the same thing from the side. So it shoots out, gets maximum KE as it exits the tunnel. It shoots up, you can see KE almost decreases, it gets to zero. We're at maximum GPE now, and now GPE is converted back into kinetic energy as gravity starts pulling us down. So KE gets faster and faster, or higher and higher as the speed gets faster. Now this is the Buzzsaw also at Dreamworld. So in this we start at ground level and we're accelerated to maximum kinetic energy. So we reach maximum kinetic energy and that allows us to increase our GPE. So at this point here we're at maximum GPE with a very small KE. Gravity grabs hold of us and starts pulling us and accelerating us down to the bottom where we have zero GPE but large kinetic energy. That then pushes us up. KE converts into GPE. So we've got large GPE but very little KE. We drop back. GPE goes back into KE, so we've got kinetic energy, our maximum speed. That maximum speed allows us to go up to a large GPE. Kinetic energy is zero because we've got no speed, and then we accelerate back down. We've got lots and lots of KE because of our speed, but zero GPE pushes us up the track again. We don't go as high because we've lost energy, but we've got large GPE now. Zero KE, and then we drop back and the brakes slow us down to zero kinetic energy. Finally we've got the giant drop at Dreamworld. So you can see at the top we've got maximum GPE, zero KE, and then you're accelerated due to gravity, and at this point you're going to reach maximum kinetic energy. Because we're above the ground we have some small GPE, and the brakes actually slow us down to ground level. So now we're going to sit on the seat, and I've just increase the speed of the video on this. So we're raised up. So we're basically hoisted up. Now by hoisting us up, what that means is that work has to be done on the seat. So work done gives us maximum GPE. Then the brakes are released and we accelerate down until we reach maximum speed. So we have maximum kinetic energy. Then the brakes engage, slows our kinetic energy down, and brings us to a nice steady standstill. At this point we're on the ground, we have zero KE and GPE. Thanks for watching.